Types of vision boards for entrepreneurs. This video is inspired by a channel called Valuetainment. It is by an entrepreneur called Patrick Bedgate. So in that video, he talks about having three different types of vision boards. And what he essentially means is you need to have a vision board on things that you can be selfish things and things personal to you, things that you want to achieve, things that you need in your life. And the second kind of vision board that you need to have is things that you get inspired by. It can be leaders and others and any inspirational person. You need to have them onto your vision board. And the third thing that you need to, the third kind of vision board that you need to create is things that you are trying to live up to. It can be some public figure, it can be some role model, or it can be someone that you admire. So that is those kind of people are the ones who are going to help you perform and live up to your expectations and live up to your full potential. So this video has been inspired by that by Patrick Bedgate video. I'll leave a link in the description below for you to take a look at it. But essentially, when he covers what he covers in that video is what I'm trying to tell you here, because trying to create a vision board that is complex. For example, in the video, he said that he took over 40 hours to create a vision board. That's going to be a really long time frame when you're trying to come up with pictures, quotes, sayings on three different kind of vision boards that you want to create. So that's going to be really tiresome, and most people will give up on trying to create a vision board. So if you can create a vision board that is simple, like I teach in my vision board mini course, you can check it out in the link description below. So you will be able to create a vision board that is specific to your needs, specific to the things that you want in your life this year, maybe year from now, maybe 5 years from now, and it's going to have some meaning in your life. When you try to be specific and clear, when it's related with health, wealth, relationships, fitness, lifestyle, experiences, travel, places you want to visit, places you want to travel to, places, things that you want in your life, like a car, a house. You want to be around this kind of social circle, this you want to achieve this kind of thing in your business. So when you keep it simple, it's going to be really helpful, and it's going to help you focus on attracting those kind of things into your life. But when you create a vision board like a complete fold, it's not going to be impactful for you. So trying to create a vision board that simple is the most effective solution that I can tell anybody. So try to come up with a vision board that is going to speak to you. It's going to have some meaning and purpose. And when you take a look at your vision board, it should speak volumes on things that you want. And these are the kind of things that I want in my life. And this is how I'm going to find the pictures from wherever, on free platforms like Pixabay, on Splash, or they're going to be from magazines or digital magazines, or any from Pinterest or any from Instagram. So try to take into consideration the things that you want into your life, and then by narrowing it down, you can add your vision board really organized. You will focus on create them. I mean, like trying to manifest them or attract them into your life. Be very careful on adding pictures, posts, and things, because if there are too many distractions on your vision board, and if you yourself make out what exactly you want to add in your vision board, it's going to be really tough for you to manifest those things into your life. So I hope you found this video valuable. Take a look at the course that I have for you. It's a vision board mini course. It's going to help you a lot, and I've added some bonuses for you, and you're going to really experience this. And by creating a vision board, you're going to change your life. So always take into consideration the things that you want to in your life. It has to be really, really selfish, and because the world around you doesn't care about it, they only care about the results that you can attract into your life. So once you have the results, people will be amazed by how well you have done in life, and they'll ask you what's the reason for your success, or what's the reason for achieving those things that you want, that you already achieved. How did you achieve that? And that's when you can look back and you can tell, yes, this is how I achieved those things, because I started out by creating a vision board that actually meant something to me, and by adding pictures, pictures, quotes, sayings, and things that actually resonate with you, and things that you wanted. That was the starting point, because most people, when you try to tell them to imagine or visualize, they find it really hard to imagine or visualize. But once you watch an inspiration or a TV show, or you've heard someone say something on YouTube or any social media platform, that actually resonates with you. You just need that one spark to actually come into your life, to actually be able to inspire you to create that vision board. So if you are really struggling to come up with pictures for your vision board, definitely go around, take all the pictures that you can see, type the thing that actually search online and on all these free platforms that I've mentioned. So go and take a look at the pictures. Once you start taking a look at those pictures, you will start to get inspired by those pictures, and then you will be filled with you will trigger a kind of an emotion that actually you resonate with. And if you don't like certain pictures, you will be able to let it go, and you will be able to find exactly and narrow it down to pictures that you want. So that's how you come up with the vision board. So take a look at Patrick's video. It will be down in the links in the description below. And if you want to create a simpler vision board, the one that is very different, but it actually covers 5 areas of your life, uh, definitely check out the course. It's really affordable, and you'll find bonuses, and I'll be able to feature you to thousands of people who want to do business with you, or want to network with you, or could lead to various other opportunities down in the future. So definitely check that out. And the question of the day that I have for you is, what does your vision board include? What should it include according to you? Let me know in the comments below. And what are the areas of life that matter to you most, that you should consider it as an absolute must that you include in your vision? Let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, I want you to actually subscribe, so that it will help me grow my channel and help me reach a lot of people and actually do much for the world as, is, as it is that you are watching right now. Thank you for watching this video.